Hello children, the topic that we are going to study today in English language is articles. Now we all know that words like a, and, the, these are what? These are articles, and an article is always used before a noun. Now articles are divided into two categories. First is indefinite articles and the second is definite articles. Now indefinite articles are a or an, and definite article is the. Now when we use indefinite articles, when we are not particular about a thing or a person, when we talk something in general, when we are not particular, when we are not specific about a thing or a person, when we are talking, then we use articles like a or an. For example, I want to buy a t-shirt. Now here I am referring to any t-shirt. I am not particular about the t-shirt I want to buy. I just want to buy any t-shirt. That's why I have used a article here. Now when we use article the, when we are particular about a thing or person. For example, the t-shirt that I bought yesterday was not good. Now which t-shirt I am talking about here? The t-shirt which I bought yesterday. That's why I have used the here, because the t-shirt that I am talking about is the one that I bought yesterday. So here the noun t-shirt is definite. That's why I have used article the here. Now a is always used before consonant sounds. For example, a house, a bus, etc. And an is always used before vowel sounds. For example, an orange, an honest man. Now you can see H is a consonant here, but the sound that is coming from honest is a vowel sound. Honest, O. Now we look at the usage of the article the. We use the before newspaper names, for example, the Telegraph, the Hindu, or you can say the Indian Express. Before the names of famous buildings, museums, monuments, paintings, for example, the Empire State Building, the Louvre, the Qutub Minar, the Mona Lisa. Some more examples could be the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. Before the people of a country, for example, the French, the English, the Spanish. Now we also use the for adjectives describing the highest quality. That means for the adjectives that are in their superlative degree. For example, the most intelligent and the most beautiful. Now second, before plural names, for example, the Himalayas, the Netherlands, the Alps, these are in its plural form. That's why the is used here. The people or objects that are unique, that are single. Okay, so the sky, the sun, and musical instruments, the guitar, the drum, the violin,